All right, this is the quick overview on how to disassemble a Camino 22 rimfire suppressor. This is a kind of one-piece tube, stainless baffles, so this one is safe to clean in an ultrasonic cleaner, which I love. I don't really care for aluminum baffles at this point just because of the extra maintenance involved. So right here, you'll see it's got the 1/2 by 28 mount, and here we have the end cap. So very simple. You can take a 1/2-inch socket or a wrench, whatever you want, just break it loose. Doesn't take much torque, you're just kind of snugging it. Take the end cap off, and then literally can pull the tube off the baffle stack. So we got the tube. And the baffles on these are very, very simple. They don't interlock, they just stack on each other. They have a nice cone on the top side here, as you can see. Let me get these all oriented. So the benefit here is, so they got a little bit of carbon on them, but they don't have to be super, super clean. You know, a little residue doesn't hurt them. The cone faces the muzzle, or I'm sorry, yeah, the muzzle, and then this faces the gun. So this would be facing out, gun back here, that way. Just stack them. They don't really need to do much, but they're all stainless, so these can go right into an ultrasonic cleaner, which is my preferred method of cleaning. It's a very hands-off cleaning method, so all you do to put it all back together, just stack them upside down with the pointy end facing you. There's no real orientation here. Some suppressors have little dots or machined grooves or something like that. You do that, take the tube, slick it right over, put it back in, take your end cap, get it snug. Don't need a lot of pressure here. I'm just going to use the tool to just give it a little snuggaroo, and you are done with the Camino rimfire can.